Hi, welcome to this class where I will show you the utensils and ingredients which we will use during this course. During this course we will be making Nutella paratha, chicken cheese paratha and cardamom chai. Now the utensils we will require: rolling pin, frying pan, spatula, wooden spoon, tea strainer and a saucepan. For the ingredients we will need plain flour, oil, Nutella, chicken mince, salt, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, cheddar and mozzarella cheese, milk, cardamom, black tea and sugar. Hi, in this class we will make paratha dough. This is a 3 steps process: hand mixing, kneading, resting. Now the ingredients we need: 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 cups flour and lukewarm water. Now add salt and oil into the flour and start hand mixing. Add water in little quantities, but beware of the quantity so you don't add too much water. Otherwise, the mixture will become runny. Making a good dough is crucial to the taste of parathas, and don't worry if yours isn't perfect. It takes a bit of practice to get good consistency. We will keep on adding water in little quantities and keep on hand mixing until the mixture looks like this. Now we start to knead the dough, as you can see here. It will take approximately 5 minutes to knead this mixture. If you feel the dough is sticky or dry, you can add more water. This quantity of dough will be enough for making 5 to 6 parathas. In the end, it's going to look like this. Finally, we place the ready dough into a bowl and put a cling over it to avoid its drying. Then put it in fridge for resting at least 3 hours. Best practice is to leave it overnight in fridge. Now we are ready for the next step. Hi, welcome to this class where we will finally make the famous Nutella paratha. Here we will learn to shape and flatten the dough to make it ready for cooking. Now let's start. First, we need to take a portion of the dough and roll it into a ball with hand. We need to roll it in between the palms of our hand and get a good shape. If you feel that the dough is getting sticky, coat it lightly in dry flour. But don't use too much, otherwise the paratha will become dry. We need to flatten the edges of the dough with our fingers to get a round shape like this. Next, we place it on a flat surface, which can be a countertop, and using our rolling pin, we are going to flatten it out. No need to apply full pressure, just go with it gently. Now, we are going to apply 1 teaspoon oil and spread it out evenly. Then we are going to roll this flattened dough and stretch it like this. Next, we are going to shape it into a coil like this. Once we get this shape, we will again flatten it with a rolling pin a few times. We now have our paratha ready. Hi, welcome to this class where we will cook and plate Nutella paratha. Now, let's start. First, we grease the pan with cooking oil and preheat it over a medium flame. We then gently lift the dough we prepared and place it flatly in the pan. We let it cook for a few moments and then flip the paratha. Apply some oil so that when we flip the paratha, it cooks from both sides. Flip the paratha a few times and keep on checking for the golden color. As soon as it turns light golden, it means that our paratha is ready. Now, gently remove the paratha and place it in a plate. Next, apply 2-3 tablespoons of Nutella or more if you require and evenly coat the surface as you can see here. Now, we slice up the paratha diagonally and get it ready for plating up. Our delicious Nutella paratha is now ready to be served. For the class project, please share a picture of your prepared Nutella paratha in the project gallery. Hi, welcome to this class where we start to make chicken cheese paratha by first preparing its filling. Firstly, the ingredients we need to have are black pepper, salt, oil, yogurt, cheese, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and minced chicken. Now, we add all the ingredients with the chicken except for the cheese and mix well. Leave aside for at least 15 minutes to marinate. Next, heat the pan with 1 teaspoon oil and add the marinated chicken. Now, cook the chicken with the lid on for around 5 minutes on low flame. Afterwards, remove the lid and increase heat to medium and cook the chicken until the water dries out. When it looks like this, Our chicken filling is now ready. Hi, welcome to this class where we will make chicken cheese paratha by cooking and plating it up. Firstly, we need to take out small portions from our dough and shape them roundly into two small balls. Observe carefully the technique used for rounding these balls, as this will ensure their round shape. We need two balls of dough to make the upper and lower layers of our paratha, as we will be inserting our prepared chicken cheese filling inside these two dough layers. Now, we will flatten these two balls with the help of rolling pin to prepare them for the filling. Now, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the chicken filling on the lower dough. Next, sprinkle cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. When ready, cover the top with second dough. Lastly, we will seal the edges nicely with the help of a fork, as you can see here. Our paratha is now ready for cooking. Now, we move on to cook out paratha. First, grease the pan and gently place the paratha in pan. Cook the paratha by adding oil and flipping it over repeatedly. Give time to cook each side evenly. The trick is to be careful when the surface of paratha becomes golden brown, which tells that our paratha is now ready. As we can see, now our paratha is ready to dish. Now we plate it on flat surface and slice up the paratha diagonally to get it ready for plating up. Our delicious chicken cheese paratha is now ready to be served. For the class project, please share picture of your prepared chicken cheese paratha in the. Hi, welcome to this class where we will be making the exotic cardamom chai. First, take 2 cups milk in a saucepan and put it on medium heat. Cover the saucepan with lid until the milk comes to a boil. When the milk comes to a boil, add 4 pieces of cardamom, Next, we add 3 teaspoons black tea and 2 teaspoons sugar. Then stir a bit and again leave to cook for some time. As the tea comes to a boil, lower the flame and cover with lid to cook for about 5 minutes. When you get this kind of brown color, it means our tea is now ready to be served. Now, using the strainer, we filter and pour the tea into cups. Our delicious cardamom chai is now ready. For the class project, please share picture of your prepared chai in the project sketch. At the end of this course, I would just like to say that if this course has motivated any of you to pick up an apron and dive into the world of South Asian cuisine, then my mission here has been a success. Even just by observing this course, I hope you have gotten a better understanding of this cuisine and will stand better educated. As these three items are widely popular in South Asia, it is a good starting point for anyone who is feeling a bit adventurous and planning to travel to this beautiful region. Paratha and chai have recently been getting a lot of hype locally due to their simple recipe, delicious taste, and ancient traditional roots. I therefore encourage you all to give it a try, and lastly, happy snacking to you all.